choose the word or the words that, when inserted in the sentence to replace the blank or the blanks, best fits the meaning of the sentence. Blank, the team leader, had been told by the HR manager that continuing to overload his team with tasks would be blank to his employees. He insisted on tightening the schedules. Before even taking an in-depth look at our choices, we can already pick up context clues by taking a closer look at our sentence. Even with the missing words, we're able to make out two things happening in this sentence. One, that the team leader tightened the staff's schedules, and two, he was told by the HR manager that overloading the team would affect them in some way. From these two facts, it's logical to assume that overloading the team would be burdensome to them or affect them negatively. And by seeing that the team leader went ahead with the new schedules anyway, our first word must be something like although or despite, to show that the team leader went against the HR manager's warnings. And looking at our choices, we see just that. Choice B offers despite that as the first blank, while choice C offers although. Let's take a closer look at these two choices, reading the sentence with the words they're offering. B, despite that the team leader had been told by the HR manager that continuing to overload his team with tasks would be instrumental to his employees, he insisted on tightening the schedules. We've already established that despite that is a logical way to fill the first blank, but instrumental in the second blank is problematic. As instrumental means useful or helpful, this would imply that overburdening the team would be helpful to them, which we see isn't the case. This can be marked off. And C, although the team leader had been told by the HR manager that continuing to overload his team with tasks would be detrimental to his employees, he insisted on tightening the schedules. Again, we've already established that although fits the first blank, and this time detrimental fits perfectly in our second blank. Meaning damaging or harmful, detrimental accurately matches what we're looking for, and makes sense given the context of the sentence. Although the team leader was warned that overloading his team with tasks would be detrimental to them, he insisted on tightening the schedules. As both words work in their respective blanks to complete the sentence, this choice can be marked as our final answer.